Okay, let's give you guys some practice now. But just before we start, let me just quickly give you a reminder. Remember, if you have three vectors, 1, 2, 3. If you have three vectors, 1, 2, 3. For some reason, if you work out the determinant, then it will give you the volume of this. And at this stage, you don't understand why it works. I'm just asking you to accept it. When you get to linear algebra, then you will get a better understanding. But remember, you could choose to work with any column or any row. Let's choose to work with this row here. We would do this. First one here would be this. Discard the horizontal, discard the vertical, and then look at this. That will then give you this. And then the next one will be minus, and then it will be this one here. Remember, we chose to work with this. So this was this. Now it's minus this thing here, and then you would discard the horizontal, discard the vertical. You would then look at this. That will then give you this. And then for the third one, it will be plus this thing. And then discard the horizontal, discard the vertical, and then just look at this. That will then give you this. Well, the determinant will then give you this volume. So now it's your turn. So here you've got three vectors. Let's just represent it like this. For some reason, if you work out the determinant of this, it will then give you the volume here. Okay. So press pause and work out the volume. Basically, work out the determinant of these three vectors, and then for some reason that represents a volume. Okay. So work out the volume. Press pause and have a go. Okay. So let's put this in. So this will represent the first vector. Second. Third, we could choose to work with this column or this row or this row or this row. Let's just choose this one here. So the first one will be 2. So that's this one here. Discard the horizontal, discard the vertical. Just look at this. So that will then give you this. The second one will be a minus, and then discard. Just look at this. That will then give you this. And then for the third one, it will be plus. Remember, it's plus, minus, plus. Okay, and then 0 here. Discard. That will then give you this. Well, this is going to be 0. So now it will be 2 times this times this. Take away this times this. So remember, if you have something like this, well, it's going to be this times this, which will be 0. Take away this times this, which will be 1. So that will give you this. And then this will be this times this, which will be 1. Take away this times this, which will be 0. So it's going to be, this thing here will be 1. So it's going to give you -4. Remember, the determinant could be a positive or it could be a negative. We need to extract the positive side to represent the volume. We can't have a negative volume. So the volume is actually 4. Okay, even though the determinant is a negative, we just extract the positive version. Okay, so the volume is given by this.